In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable automatic backups of documents in Microsoft Word. If you're working on an important document, enabling automatic recovery can help protect your work by having Word save recovery information at regular intervals. This can be especially useful if you accidentally close a document without saving it, or experience an unexpected interruption while working. First, open Microsoft Word. As you can see, we have a document ready and open on the screen. For this example, we'll set Word to automatically save recovery information for the document at regular intervals. To begin, select the File tab located at the top of the Word window. This will take you to the Backstage area, where you can access different settings and options for your document. From here, select Options. This will open the Word Options window, which contains different settings that control how Microsoft Word works. In the Word Options window, select Save. Here, you'll find several settings related to saving documents and auto-recover. These settings allow you to control how frequently Word saves recovery information for your documents. Look for the option that controls how often auto-recover information is saved. You can choose to have Word save this information every 10 minutes, or you can adjust the setting to use a longer or shorter amount of time based on your preference. A shorter interval means Word will save recovery information more frequently, which can help reduce the amount of work you might lose if something unexpected happens. A longer interval means the recovery information will be saved less frequently. You can also check the option to keep the last auto-recovered version if you accidentally close a document without saving it. This provides another way to preserve a recoverable version of your work when you haven't manually saved the latest changes. After you've selected the settings you want, click OK to confirm your changes. Word will now use the auto-recover settings you've configured, automatically saving recovery information according to the interval you selected. Keep in mind that auto-recover is designed to help recover your work, so it's still a good practice to save your documents regularly. However, enabling these settings gives you an additional layer of protection while you're working. And that's how you can enable automatic backups of documents in Microsoft Word using the auto-recover settings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,